Hope you all are fit and fine. Right, students, we have completed up to chapter number 5. Now our next chapter is 6th chapter, that is adjectives and degrees of comparison. Right. So let me ask some questions before I am going to start the chapter. Can you tell me what is adjective? Right. How many kinds of adjectives are there? And degrees of comparison, all these things we learn in this chapter, right, students? So let's start. What is an adjective? An adjective is a descriptive word. What is adjective? Adjective is a descriptive word. It describes noun or pronoun. It modifies a noun or pronoun, right? When something is added for noun, that is called adjective. It tells the number of the noun, it tells the quantity, right? Quality of the noun, how the noun is, right? And it points out the noun, it shows the position, right? So that is called adjectives. And we will learn, today we will learn adjective. What is an adjective? An adjective is a descriptive word. It modifies noun or pronoun. For example, if I say, my mother has blue eyes. Now what is noun here? Eyes. How the eyes of your mother is? That is blue. So blue is called an adjective. Taj Mahal is a beautiful building. What is noun here? Building. So what is said about this noun? Beautiful. So beautiful is said to be an adjective. If you say, I have 4 pencils or I have many books. So here what is noun? Pencils. How many pencils you have? 4. Means pencil is a noun. How many pencils you have? 4. So 4 is said to be an adjective. I have many books. Now what is noun here? Books. How many books? Many. So many is said to be an adjective, right? And if we say there is a little milk in the jar. Little milk. What is noun here? Milk. So what is little? Little is an adjective, right? If we say there are many children playing in the garden. What is noun here? Children. How many children? Many. So many is said to be an adjective, right? Now for example, if we say this marker is blue. Is your noun? Marker. So THI is this. It is pointing out this marker, right? So it is called adjective, right? So students, there are kinds of adjectives we will learn, and next is the degrees of comparison. What is degrees of comparison? See, nouns are compared, right? Degrees of comparison are of 3 types. Positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. Now positive degree means no comparison is done. What is said about only one noun. For example, Taj Mahal is a beautiful building, right? So if it is beautiful, adjective is used only for Taj Mahal. No comparison is done. Now if we say, my mother is more beautiful than your mother. See, more beautiful. Comparison is done between my mother and your mother, right? So more beautiful is said to be in the comparative degree. And the last one, superlative degree, that is, my mother is the most beautiful lady. So the most beautiful is the superlative degree, right? So students, we will learn step by step everything. Now let's read from the book. What is an adjective? Words that describe a noun or a pronoun are called adjective. What is an adjective? Words that describes a noun or pronoun. Noun or pronoun को describe करते हैं, कैसा है, how much, right? How it is, in what number, then it is called adjective. Let's see the examples. He has 3 sisters. What is noun here? Sisters. What is said about the sisters? 3. So 3 is called adjectives. Second one, his house is there. What is noun here? House. What is said about this noun? His. So his is said to be an adjective. Shalini wore a new dress. What is noun here? Dress. What kind of dress? New. So new is said to be an adjective. He has a blue pen. Noun is pen. What kind of pen? It is blue. So blue is said to be an adjective. Rohan is a good boy. What is noun here? Boy. What is said about this boy? Good. So good is said to be an adjective. This is a big bag. Now what is noun here? Bag. So what is said about this bag? It is big. Then big is said to be an adjective. So students, what is an adjective? An adjective is a describing word. It describes noun or pronouns. Now next is the position of adjectives. Where we write adjectives. Adjectives are usually placed before nouns, but sometimes they may be placed after nouns as well. See students, generally we write nouns before adjective. Big tree, big building, beautiful girl, tall boy. Generally we write adjectives before noun. But sometimes we write adjectives after nouns also. Right? Now let's see the example. Ragini is a creative person. Ragini is a creative person. Here noun is person. What is adjective? Creative. So creative is written before noun. Now next is that girl is creative. See here girl noun is written first and adjective is written later. Right? So girl is noun and creative is adjective. The dress is new. Again noun is written first and adjective is written later. So students, the rule is mostly we write adjectives before the noun, but sometimes we can write after the nouns. Right? Here now we will do the exercise A. Circle the adjectives in the underlined nouns. Now students, we will do exercise A. Here we have to circle the adjectives of the underlined nouns. Here nouns are given and those nouns are underlined, and we have to find out what adjectives are used for those nouns. First one, the princess had long and black hair. Here noun is hair. What adjectives are used for this noun? That is long and black. So we have to circle long and black. Right? Next is Mohan is a hard working student. Here noun is student. Right? What is used for that student? It is hard working. So you have to circle hard working. Right? The next is a wedding in the family is a perfect opportunity to know your relatives. See here opportunity is a noun. What is adjective is used for this noun? That is perfect, and again relatives it's a noun. Which adjective is used for this noun? That is your. So you have to circle your. Next one. The holy river Ganga is very polluted now. Now river Ganga is a noun. So what is used for this river Ganga? It is holy. Circle holy. Right? Now students, fifth one. Every teacher wants to see tidy work. What is noun here? Work. So what is an adjective used for this noun? That is tidy. So we have to circle tidy. That car is beautiful. Here noun is car. What is used for this car? What? So here it is used that and beautiful. Right? Seventh one. These are his paintings. What is noun here? Paintings. So adjective is this. Right? Eighth one. We will reach home after 2 weeks. What is noun here? Weeks. What is used for this noun? That is to. So to is said to be an adjective. Now students, today we will learn kinds of adjectives. There are 6 kinds of adjectives. Adjectives of quality, adjectives of quantity, adjectives of number, demonstrative adjective, interrogative adjective and possessive adjective. Now first kind is adjective of quality. What is adjectives of quality? An adjective of quality describes the quality of a person or a thing. What is adjective of quality? An adjective of quality means adjective which describes the quality of any person or thing. For example, if we say, my dog is white in color. Here, what is noun? Dog. So what is here adjective? Adjective of quality is white because it is describing the quality of dog. It's showing the color of the dog. For example, if I say, my brother is very tall. Now what is here now? Brother. So tall is called an adjective because it is describing the quality of your brother. Right? If I say, my friend is very beautiful. My friend is very beautiful. So what is noun here? Friend. What is said about your friend? Beautiful means here beautiful is used to describe the quality of your friend. Right? So and here if you say, I have a big table. So now what is noun here? Table. Right? So what is used to describe the table? It is big. So big is said to be an adjective of quality. Means adjective of quality means it shows the quality of a person, place and anything. And means in short it shows the shape, size and color of the noun. Right? It shows the shape, size and color of the noun. For example, if I say my container is pink. So what is here noun? Container. So pink is said to be adjective of quality. Right? If I say our home is big. So what is here now? Home. So big is said to be adjective of quality.
आभार।